Kazakhstan, development of educational programs in this area?
Well, it's of course very tragic to witness that the north of Kazakhstan is now struck by massive floods. Of course, I think everyone can see that this is yet again showing us that the effects of climate change and global warming are just increasing. So also in Belgium, we've witnessed one of the worst floods in recent times, only a few years ago. Also there we saw that it was very difficult for the government to address the consequences of these floods, and even today people from that region are still suffering the consequences of those floods. And I'm afraid in Kazakhstan also this will be something that cannot be solved directly, and it just shows us how vulnerable countries in, well, not just Europe, but also in Central Asia are to the effects of climate change and global warming. So the floods in Kazakhstan are just testimony of this, and it's sort of a sign of what is expected to increase in the coming years and decades.